Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stacy.C. So in this video I'm just going to put on this headband wig that I bought from Amazon. So as you guys can see, I am unboxing the wig amongst other stuff that I bought. So this is the wig, and guys, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I know it's been a minute since I've been on here, but yeah, of all of the content them is just some of the post them. So I get a wig cap with the headband wig. Also I get a headband. I never read the headband all now. And the wig that I bought is a 10-inch bob wig. And it is straight, by the way. So as soon as I take the wig out of the bag, I fell in love with it. Because I'm telling you, the texture, it just feels so nice and natural. It giving you a freshly perm or cream, whichever one you want to call it, here. And it come with 3 comb. I think 2 in the front. No, it come with 4 combs, 3 in the front and 1 in the back. So I'm just combing out the hair, then I just put it on my canvas head to hold it down for me, because I don't think I can use a flat iron in my ear by myself, because I know I'm burn myself. So I'm put it on the canvas head, and then I go just take it section by section and just use the flat iron and get it in the right look that I want it to be. So I'm just working my way through the hair with the flat iron. And guys, listen, I don't know what wrong with me and the posting, but I'm just so lazy. Like sometimes I just sit down, just scroll through TikTok, and TikTok kill time. And I just sit down and scroll through Instagram, YouTube, watch this a movie, that Facebook. And then like I have so many videos for edit and post. But the voiceover is my biggest problem. So right now at this moment, I'm going to put on the wig, but first I'm just showing you guys how I did some cornrows in the back, because I have an next headband wig, which I'm going to show you later on. And then I just do some plaiting at the front, yeah, because of the other wig. And then I just use some of the edge control to brush back my hair. We just get a little natural look there. And then I'm going to use some eco gel to put on top of it. I don't know, the eco gel with the edge control kind of give me a better hold. So I'm going to do that and brush back the ear. Oh, and guys, in order to help keep the hair down, I also use some of the got to be spray on it. And then afterwards, I just use the blow dryer to whatever I do. Just use the blow dryer, but I put it on cool. And this is how the hair look afterwards. So right now I'm going to use my wig cap and put it onto my hair before. You don't really have to do this though. And then sometimes, well, it's a headband wig and it no what you call it, it's not like lace wig. But if you're using a lace wig, you could use a black wig cap. So what I did is I use one of the comb in the front to stick in the front part of my hair, and then I use it 2 at the side to stick in my hair to hold it down. Sometimes when I do this, the hair kind of feel tight, so sometimes I just use one alone and that's it. But it feels really secure when I use all 3 of them. Then I just take the band and carry it to the back and paste it down. So whenever I wear a headband wig, normally just fold the bun itself in 2, as you seen just now in the video. Fold it to make it look smaller, and that look much better to me. I don't know about nobody else. And so I don't know, kind of like the hair, but I kind of not like it. Girl just a comb, like say, when somebody just cream process them hair, I saw me just a come and go away, I come and go away. You see me a dance and I smile and I kind of like it and I kind of not like it because the styles that I want to do with the hair, it not really a give when I want it to give. But if you guys reach this far, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. So girl, I try flip and bounce, but you're stuck in the pajama or whatever. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show now how I try do 1 and 2 style, but I don't like the hair, so after I like wait for like 3 days or so, I just give it away, and then I try put the headband round it for just get a vibes. This is too much material. I don't know why they make them with so much material and whatnot. No, it does too much material. And then again, I couldn't wear that color headband they go work. Mercy, I feel like I am a child again going to school. But it could have gone on it, but me never like what did I give. And then again, me did end up in a A&E the same day. The same day? Yeah, I think at the same day. I read a wig here. I end up at A&E, yeah. End up in a A&E because I feel some real hard pain. But I never wig make me feel the pain, but it just give me that feeling there. So I not too like it, so I get it away. So this is me styling the wig, trying to make it look good. So just keep watching the video. And don't forget, guys, to comment, share, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.